When we designed CraftPro Test Kits, we didn't want to just rebrand a standard water quality test kit. We wanted to create something from the ground up, specifically designed for brewers. So that's exactly what we did. We made the most comprehensive brewing water test kit on the market. Here's why it's so different from anything else out there. First, CraftPro actually tests the 15 most important parameters for brewing, including calcium, magnesium, pH, alkalinity, sulfate, and chloride. Our lab report also handles all the calculations for you, like residual alkalinity and sulfate to chloride ratio. So you can focus on brewing, not on math. We're also the only testing solution that combines in-lab testing with DIY strips. Every in-lab kit comes with a free pack of DIY strips, so you can monitor your water in between lab tests. This way, you can catch any big changes in your water chemistry before you start brewing, keeping you from wasting time and ingredients. We also wanted to make it easy for you to track your results over time. So we created the Craft Tracker. It gives you the ability to track and compare your lab results over the course of time. Check them against preset recipes and even visually track your DIY results so you can see your water trends at a simple glance. Every part of CraftPro was designed with brewers like you in mind. We give you everything you need to understand your brewing water and help you brew consistently amazing beer. If you're ready to take control of your water and your beer, head over to craftprotestkits.com and make every batch your best batch.